Good morning, dear student. This is teacher Shubhangi, and we are going to learn practice set 27, lesson number 11. Okay. So in this lesson, we have completed our question 1 and question 2. Okay. Question 3 is remaining. So we are going to learn today question number 3. Okay. So here, the question 3 is given below are some equations and the values of the variables. Means some equations are given. These are the equations. And the values of variables. Variables means what? Letters. In English, we call it as letters. And in mathematics, these letters are become variables. Okay. So here, some of the equations are given and values of the variables are also given. Okay. Are these values the solution to those equations? Means that they ask the question that are these values, means whatever the values they have given, y is equal to 3, n is equal to 10, x is equal to 6, m is equal to 7. So whatever the values have given, are these values the solution to those equations? So whatever the values have given, these are the solution of this equation or not, that we have to find out. Means here equation is given and the answer is also given. We just want to check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay, whether these values are correct or not, that we have to check. Okay. Now here y minus 3 is equal to 11. Y minus 3 is equal to 11. Okay. So if y minus 3 is equal to 11, see how then y is equal to 3 is the correct value or not, that we are going to learn. Now y minus 3 is equal to 11. See for example this y, okay, minus y minus 3 is equal to 11. This is the question given, right? Now, to find the value of y, what we want to do here, that we learned yesterday, what we did, if y minus 3 is equal to 11, and if we want to find this value of y only and we want to remove this minus 3, then what we will do? What we will do? Yes, children. Yes, we will add 3 to both sides. Correct. Very good. Very good. We will add 3 to both sides. Why? Why we add 3 to both sides? Because here minus 3 is given. Right? Now here y minus 3 is equal to 11. So if we want to find the value of y, we don't want this minus 3 with y. Right? To remove this minus 3, we will use its opposite sign. What is the opposite sign of minus 3? Plus. So we are going to add. अगर हमको minus दिखता है तो हम add करेंगे. अगर हमको plus दिखता है तो हम subtract करेंगे. Multiply दिखता है number y के साथ तो हम divide करेंगे. Divide के form में दिखता है तो हम multiply करेंगे. Now here y minus 3 is equal to 11. Minus 3 is given. That's why we are going to add 3 to both sides, right? We will add 3 to both sides. Now, after adding 3 to both sides, what would be the equation? Y minus 3 plus 3. Means we have added this 3 to left hand side, as well as we are going to add this 3 to right hand side as well. Okay, because y minus 3 plus 3, 11 plus 3. Okay, y minus 3 plus 3, 11 plus 3, because we have written over here, add 3 to both sides. If I will add this 3 to both sides, that means here my plus 3 will be there. Here again my plus 3 will be there. So y minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 11 plus 3 would be the second step. Now again, this minus 3 and plus 3 would get cancelled, right? Minus 3 and plus 3 would get cancelled. Now 11 plus 3 is how much? 11 plus 3 is 11 plus 3 is what? Yes, 14. Now what we got the value of y? Y is equal to 14. But what they have given in answer? Y is equal to 3. That means solution is yes or no. The answer given is yes, means right hai, or wrong hai. So this is wrong. That means here y is equal to 3 is not the solution of given equation. What would be the solution of given equation? Y is equal to 14 is the solution of the given equation. But the answer is what? 3. But our answer is what? 14. So here solution is yes or no? No. Absolutely no. Okay, because we got the value 14. Yes. Okay. Similarly, the second equation is what? Wait a minute, students. Similarly, second equation is what? 17 is equal to n plus 7. Okay, 17 is equal to n plus 7. Now here we want to find the value of n. Okay, so we don't need the 7 with n. Then what we are going to do? What we are going to do? Yes, children, I want answer from you. What we are going to do? Yes, Sudhanshu, very good. Subtract 7 from both sides. Correct. Ishita, right. Siddhi, right. Very good. Very good. Well done, students. Okay. So, we don't need the 7 with n. So, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. Right. We are going to subtract. What subtract? 7. Because we, sorry, students, because we don't need the 7 with n. Okay, because we have to find the value of n. So we are going to subtract 7 from both sides. Right? We are going to subtract 7 from both sides. After subtracting 7 from both sides, what would be our equation? 17 minus 7 is equal to n plus n plus 7 minus 7, right? We are going to subtract 7 from both sides. Here 17 minus 7 and here n plus 7. जो हमारा equation है वैसे ही है. देखो 17 वैसे के वैसा है. As we have said, subtract 7 from both sides. So that's why here minus 7 would be there. Here also minus 7 would be there. Now 17 minus 7 is how much? 10. Right? 17 minus 7 is 10. Equal to this plus 7 minus 7 would get cancelled and we will get the value of n. Now what would be the value of n is given in equation? Value of variable is what? 10. And here also n is equal to what? 10. We got the answer 10. That means this n is equal to 10 is the solution of given equation. So what would be the answer here? Yes. Here answer would be what? Yes. Solution yes or no? Yes, because here also value of n is 10 and we also got the answer 10. That means here the answer is what? 10. Yes. Understood everyone? Understood? Right? Value of the variable is correct. Means yes. Ishita. Yes. Very good. Ishita. Shreya. Yes. Okay. Tanuja. Very good. Okay. Look. Shagun. Janvi. Shreya. Okay. Very good. Means what? See now. Very simple sums actually. These are 17 is equal to, and please pay attention. Let me close a chat box for you for some time. Please pay attention. Okay. Please pay attention because you become busy in chatting in chat box and not paying attention properly. Okay, whenever the teacher will be asking to you, please let me know in chat box. That time only you are going to answer me in chat box. Otherwise, there is no need to chat in chat box unnecessarily, right? because you need to pay attention. These sums are means first time these sums are there for you. Okay, that's why some difficulty would be there to understand this, but this doesn't mean that you are going to type unnecessarily messages in chat box. Okay, whenever the teacher is asking for you that type why in chat box or whether you have understood it or not, let me know. That time only you are going to use that chat box. Yes, okay. Now here, please pay attention everyone. Kavya, afterward that what I said, after this practice set would be completing, that time only I am going to solve the doubts, whatever you have. But please pay attention. Please pay attention. Okay. If you will not pay attention, you will not going to understand the sum. Okay. Now 17 is equal to n plus 7. Now here plus 7 is there. So we don't want the 7 with n. So what we are going to do? Subtract 7 from both sides. अगर हमारा साइन अपोजिट होता है प्लस और यहाँ पे माइनस आता है तो प्लस 7 माइनस 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और हमको हमारा n का वैल्यू मिलेगा. इसके लिए हम दोनों अपोजिट साइन यूज करते हैं अगर हमको कोई भी नंबर रिमूव करना है. राइट नाउ 17 इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 7. सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड. अगर मुझे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 7 बोथ साइड से तो यहाँ पे मैं 17 लूंगी. ओके तो सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 करना है तो यहाँ पे -7 इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 7. जो हमारा इक्वेशन वो वैसे ही रहेगा, -7 आ जाएगा. ठीक है तो यहाँ पे -7 हमने इसके लिए क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 फ्रॉम बोथ साइड. नाउ 17 minus 7 is equal to ये n plus 7 remain as it is and we will again write here -7 as we have noted down here subtract 7 from both sides. Now here plus 7 minus 7 would get cancelled. So what we will get only n. Now 17 minus 7 is equal to what? 10. So n is equal to what? 10. Right? N is equal to 10. So solution is yes or no? Yes, because here value of n is already given. Right? Now let's do another sum. Let's do another sum. Now let's take this 30 is equal to 5x. Okay. 30 is equal to 5x. Now if here 30 is equal to 5x, right? 5x. Now, to remove this 5 from x, what we are going to do? What we are going to do? Because here 5 is multiplied to this x. So, what we are going to do? We are going to divide because multiply sign is there. So, multiplication का opposite sign हम लोग लेंगे, that is divide. Divide both sides. Divide both sides by 5 so that 5 will get cancelled. Now अगर मैंने divide both sides by 5 बोला है तो 30 के नीचे क्या आएगा हमारा 5, right, is equal to 5x. ठीक है. So wait a minute students. If divide both sides by 5, so 30 would get divided by 5, right? 30 would get divided by 5 is equal to sorry, or ये 5x is also get divided by 5, right? As I have told you, wait a minute students. Okay, as we have written over here, divide both sides by 5. So 30 would get divided by 5 and 5x will also get divided by 5. Now here numerator 5 and denominator 5 get cancelled. जैसे कि +5 कोई भी अपोजिट साइन अगर सेम नंबर में आते हैं तो वो नंबर कैंसिल हो जाता है, मीन्स वैल्यू गेट 0. जैसे कि अगर हमारे पास +5 ओके -5 है तो 5 - 5 विल naturally क्या होगा 0, right? So +5 -5 would get cancelled because value will get 0. ठीक है, अगर हमको 5x को 0 बना 5 को हमको रिमूव करना है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, 5 विल गेट डिवाइडेड बाय 5 बिकॉज जब भी कोई भी सेम नंबर से डिवाइड होता है तो उसका आंसर कितना था 1. तो मतलब 1x मतलब नथिंग बट 1 means this 5 numerator 5 and denominator 5 will get cancelled and we will get our value x, right? So if here 30 is equal to 5x, this means this 5 get multiplied to this x, right? So to remove this 5 from x, what we are going to do, we will divide both sides by 5. So 30 divided by 5 and 5x will be divided by 5. So if 30 would get divided by 5, then what would be the answer? I am going to open chat box for you. Okay. So let me know answer in chat box. अगर हम 30 को divide करते हैं 5 से तो क्या आंसर मिलेगा? Let me know. 6, correct. क्या आंसर मिलेगा हमको? 6. Very good. So if we will divide this 30 by 5, then we will get the answer 6 because 5 6 are 30 and x. So x is equal to 6. जो उनका आंसर है, हमको आंसर कितना मिला? x is equal to 6. और given answer is what? x is equal to 6. That means what? Solution is yes or no? Solution is yes. Solution is what? Yes, right? This answer is correct. Okay. Clear everyone? Clear? Clear? Okay. Yes. Sudhanshu, what happened? Pragati, what happened? Many times I have repeated the sum. Huh? What you have not understood? Because some Srishti is also saying the same thing. What happened? Please pay attention. These sums are not difficult. Okay. These sums are somewhat tricky. Okay. If you will understand what is given and what we have to do, then the sums are very easy. मैंने कितनी बार बोला है, अगर माइनस का साइन आपको दिखता है तो आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा, आपको एडिशन का साइन दिखता है तो आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, अगर आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन दिखता है तो आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, और अगर डिवाइड का साइन दिखता है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीप्लाई, राइट? एंड वंस यू विल गेट द स्टेटमेंट, okay, the some steps would be easier for you to understand. Yes, pay attention. Many Ishita is saying, teacher, first it was hard, but now after understanding it is pretty easy. Yes, very good, Ishita. Okay, so when okay, now let's do another sum. This need a proper concentration. Those students are paying attention, the sums are not difficult for them. And those who are not paying attention, the sums are getting difficult for them. Yesterday only I told you that these sums needs concentration, a proper concentration. Okay. Now here m divided by 2, m divided by 2 is equal to 14 because other students are giving the answer properly. M divided by 2 is equal to 14. Now here division sign is there. Then what we need to do here? Yes, what we need to do here? If divide sign is there, then we don't want this 2 with M. We want the value of M only. Then what we are going to do? Yes, multiply by 2 on both sides. Very good, Shagun. Very good. Okay. Multiply by 2 on both sides. So we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply by 2 on both sides. Yes. Okay. Now after multiplying by 2 on both sides, if we multiply this 2 by both sides, तो हमारा इक्वेशन वैसे के वैसे रहेगा. See, m by 2 will remain as it is. हमने लिखा है मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 ऑन बोथ साइड्स, तो मैं पहले ये साइड को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी 2 से, राइट, और फिर वापस से 14 को भी मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी 2 से, राइट. I will first multiply by 2 on left hand on this side, because I have written over here multiply by 2 on both sides. So I'll first multiply this m by 2 by 2 and 14 जो है हमारा, जैसे कि ये m by 2 इक्वेशन है हमारा, उसको मैं पहले 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी, उसके बाद 14 जो है हमारा उसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी 2 से. Now this denominator, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, so what we will get here, m only, right, is equal to 14 to the what, 28. Okay, so we got value of m is 28, but here the value of m is given, that is m is equal to 7, right. That means what, this equation, this is not the solution of that equation, means answer is what, no. Answer would be what, no. Yes, clear everyone? Okay, so we have completed our addition sum, subtraction sum, multiplication sum and division sum. Okay, okay, very good everyone. Aditya, Lokesh, Rhythm, very nice. Okay, very nice. Shreya, good. Okay, Khushi, good. Okay, Srishti, I hope your doubt would be clear right now. Yuvraj, good. Okay. Lokesh is saying, teacher, I like this tricky sums. Okay, good. Okay, very nice. Okay, nice response from everyone. Good. Okay, so we have completed our question number 3 over here. Okay, now let's move for question number 4. Okay, let's move for question number 4. Okay, now question number 4 is solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. Okay, so how to solve this equation? That question number 3 and question number 4 is quite same. Okay, quite same. So वहां पे हमको क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में सोल्यूशन है कि नहीं है वो बताना था, राइट. यस है, यस और नो सॉल्व करने के बाद, राइट. बट हियर वी हैव टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. ओके, सो let's do first sum. Okay, so first sum is y minus 5 is equal to 1. Y minus 5 is equal to 1. Now Srishti, let me know in chat box. Srishti, this is for you. What we are going to do in second step? Let me know in chat box. Yes, Shubham is asking, we have to do in the same manner. Yes, we are going to do this step in the same manner. Yes, Lokesh, what we are going to do in the second step, y minus 5 is equal to 1. Add 5 to both sides, correct? Add 5 to both sides, very good. Now, what we are going to do, add 5 to both sides, right? We are going to add 5 to both sides. After adding 5 to both sides, what would be our equation? ये y minus 5 जैसे के वैसा रहेगा, right? Y minus 5 will remain as it is. अभी हमको 5 ऐड करना है दोनों साइड में, तो हमारा इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे +5 आ जाएगा इक्वल टू ये 1 वैसे के वैसा रहेगा और यहाँ पे हमारा +5 ऐड हो जाएगा. सी, y minus 5 will become as it is, है ना, ये वैसा का वैसा ही है, because we have said that add 5 to both sides, so y minus 5 will remain as it is, only this plus 5 will be there, is equal to 1 remain as it is, and here again plus 5 would be there, because we are going to add 5 to both sides, so y minus 5 will remains the same, plus 5 would be there, here 1 remains the same, and plus 5 would be there. Now see, here minus 5 plus 5 will get cancelled, so we will get the value of y only is equal to minus 5 plus 5 ये cancel हो जाएगा, 1 plus 5 is equal to what? 6. So what is the value of y then? Y is equal to 6. So what would be our answer? Y is equal to 6. I hope you understood, everyone. I hope everyone understood this. Yes? Okay, Aditya, Siddhi, Ahana, Rhythm, Shagun. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Lokesh, Ananya, Samriddhi, Sanskriti. Okay. Ananya. Good. Good, beta. Sudhanshu, good. Okay. A very nice response from you, students. Y is equal to 6. So what the value we get? Y is equal to 6. Now the second sum is 8 is equal to t plus 5. Now we don't want this plus 5 with this t. We want to remove this 5 from this side. So what we are going to do? What would be our next step? Subtract 5 from both sides. Very good. Yes, very good, Tanuja. What we are going to do? We will subtract, right? We will subtract 5 from both sides. Sorry. Subtract 5 from both sides. Now what would be our equation? ये 8 वैसे के वैसा रहेगा, as we said subtract 5 from both sides, so 8 minus 5 is equal to t plus 5 would remain as it is, और यहाँ पे भी वो -5 मतलब subtract हो जाएगा, है ना, 5 would get subtract. Now what would be the next step? 8 minus 5 is what? 3 is equal to t, because this plus 5 and minus 5 would get cancelled. So what would be the value of t is 3. So t is equal to 3. Okay, t is equal to what? 3. Yes, 3 is equal to t और t is equal to 3, both are the same thing. तो अगर 3 is equal to t मिलता है तो आपको next step करना पड़ेगा, therefore t is equal to 3. ठीक है, therefore t is equal to 3 ऐसे आपको लिखना पड़ेगा लास्ट है, बिकॉज 3 is equal to t ये प्रॉपर नहीं लगता है ना, 3 is equal to t बोलो या t is equal to 3 बोलो, वो सेम ही है. तो हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप जो रहेगा वो रहेगा therefore t is equal to 3. ओके, that would be the next. ठीक है, तो t का वैल्यू कितना आएगा हमारा 3. नाउ अगेन नेक्स्ट इज 4x is equal to 52. Now what would be the next step? 4x is equal to 52. What would be the next step? 4x is equal to 52. That means yes, very good. Shagun, Aditya, Ahana, Yash, Sudhanshu, Aditi, Sanskriti, Tanuja. Very good, very good, very good. Good response from you, student. 4x is equal to 52. ये 4 जो है वो x को मल्टीप्लाई है, तो that's why we are going to divide right? Divide both sides by divide both sides by 4. Yes. Now, if I'll divide this 4x by divide both sides by 4, then here 4x will be divided by 4, right? Is equal to this 52. This 52 would get divided by 4 again, right? That means this 4 and this 4 get cancelled. And what would be the value? X is equal to, if we divide 52 by 4, then what would be the answer? 13, right? 13 4s are 52. So we will get the value of x is what? 13, right? So x is equal to what? 13. Clear, everyone? Many times we have solved these sums, right? Such kinds of sums, right? All right. Now let's do another sum. X is equal to 13. Okay. We'll take fifth one. P by 4 is equal to 9. P by 4 is equal to 9. So P by 4 is equal to 9. What would be the next step? What would be the next step? No, Lokesh. What would be the next step? Multiply. Yes. Multiply by what? Multiply by what? We don't want this 4 with P because we want to find the value of P. So what we are going to do? Ananya wrong. Yes, Sudhanshu correct. Multiply by 4 to both side. 9 कैसे होगा? 9 कैसे होगा? काव्या 9 नहीं होगा. Why? Because we need to find the value of P. तो जो नंबर है ना वो हमको कैंसिल करना है. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? P by 4 is the question. P by 4 है ना. तो यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बिकॉज डिवाइड है ना, तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई बाय, we don't want this 4 with P, so multiply by 4 on both sides. Yes, multiply by 4 on both sides. So if we multiply by 4 on both sides, so the answer will be here P by 4. Yes, P by 4 would get multiply with 4 is equal to 9 again would get multiply with 4. Okay? Now this 4 would get cancelled with this 4 and the answer is P is equal to 9. P is equal to 36. P is equal to what? 36. So what value we will get? P is equal to 36. Yes, clear? Now, thank you very much everyone. Okay.